This is YOUVI, the easy and intuitive control for your individual smart home. With it, you always have your home in focus. YOUVI is set up in no time with the automatic ETS import. Now you can get creative. Create and customize your own personal dashboard. Change the arrangement and appearance of the individual tiles as desired. And create custom dashboards for different users or rooms. YOUVI is available in a dark and light design. The handling is super easy. Dim the lights and change the color. Create privacy and make yourself comfortable. If the doorbell rings, YOUVI will show you who is waiting outside. With the user-friendly logic editor, you quickly create if-then routines yourself. Have the shutters raised at sunrise, the heating turned off when you leave the house, or your lawn watered automatically if required. There are many possibilities. Just let your imagination run free. At home on your touch panel, on the go on your smartphone, or by voice command with Alexa. YOUVI, your visualization.